Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes Store. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your App Store or your iTunes Store, you might see the error that your account has been disabled. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just try to connect with the stable and strongest network connection. Then try to remove your VPN if you're connected. After that, you can try to reset your Apple ID password. Just open your settings, tap on your Apple ID, and here just tap on sign in and security option. And from here, you have to change your Apple ID password. So just enter your iPhone passcode here and just change your Apple ID password. And once you have changed your Apple ID password, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to check your payment informations. Just open your App Store and here just tap on the profile option at the top right. Then tap on your Apple ID. And here you just have to enter your Apple ID password or verify yourself using your Face ID. So just enter your Apple ID password here. Once you have entered, just tap on the sign in option. And here just wait for the loading, and then you just have to try to check your country of region and also check your payments information. Just have on manage payments, and here you'll find your payment method. You just have to try to check your payment information and also your billing address. So once you have done, you have to, if you have find any mistake, so you just have to try to correct that mistake, and after that you may not get the issue. Or you can also try to open your app store and here just open the profile option at the top right. Just try to sign out from your app store, just have the sign out option. And then you have to re-sign in using your same Apple ID. Just have them sign in, then tap on continue. And now once you have re-signed in, so it might be that your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so it might be that your account has been locked for only 24 hours. So you just have to try to wait for 24 hours without any retry. So after 24 hours, you can easily use your App Store or your iTunes Store with the same issue. Or if you are still facing the same issues, you can try to contact the Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, select App Store, or you can also select iTunes Store which you want, then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.